Good afternoon, Mayor Mike Palazzolo here at Cameron Brown Field. Today was a great celebration to have a groundbreaking for new fields here. Where the fields aren't new, the actual infield will now be artificial turf, allowing our athletes a safe playing surface and the ability to play quickly after a rainstorm, which will be a real game changer for our families that are here in Germantown. And it's been really neat because we got with GBL and the commissioner of GBL, Rob Stallings, and others, and we asked them what they wanted. And they wanted improved facilities inside the fences, and so we've invested in that. And today's been a great day. I can't wait till the spring when we have our first pitch thrown out and to see a bunch of young, happy, smiling faces running the base paths.
So good morning. My name is Natalie Ruffin, and I serve as the city's new Parks and Recreation Director for this great city of Germantown. So we're at Cameron Brown Park today celebrating the groundbreaking ceremony for the synthetic turf fields here at the four-field complex. As some of you know, this four-field complex serves as home to the Germantown Baseball League. They are our baseball and softball provider. And it's just a great day to be here, be in our parks as Parks Director, just to be a part of our continuous efforts as we revitalize the parks, reinvest, and enhance this space. As we look to putting down new type of surface, modernizing this space. Obviously with the synthetic turf, it's going to be around for a long, long time, and it's going to help with program scheduling, just offer a higher level surface in terms of play, and then overall really impact the overall maintenance of this facility. So we are super excited to be here.
I'm Rob Stallings, and I am the Executive Director for the Germantown Baseball League. As an official sports provider for baseball and softball for the city of Germantown, this is just an exciting day. We've got nearly 1,200 players and families who are going to benefit from the improvements taking place here. I've always thought Cameron Brown Park was a hidden gem in Shelby County. And now with these improvements, it's without a doubt going to be one of the best parks. So we're just excited to have come end of January, February, 1,000 young athletes out here participating on these renovated fields. It's going to be fantastic.